passive wind turbine. More impact, hail damage. Again, we've got enough of that. That's a metal plumbing vent over here. This is a PVC plumbing vent, so we got mixed use on that. That's probably a later addition. The roof's all boogered up and scraped here. More of that hail damage. Satellite dish mounting bracket was not properly installed. Brackets were not properly installed. We got more damage right over there. Again, that doesn't look like storm damage, that looks like tree damage. So we got storm and tree damage over here. The vent stack's supposed to extend at least 6 inches above the roof cover. The vent stack is supposed to extend at least 6 inches above the roof covering. These flashing plates. Missing shingles on the ridge over there. So this roof is pretty much algae on the north side slopes of the roof. This roof is old and it's pretty much toast.